Welcome to the first module. I hope you are going to invest the required time so you can learn and grow. And don't look at this as just to fulfill the requirements so you can move on. I remember when I started tutoring graduate students way back, um, more than 20 years ago. I started to tutor graduate students at Bowdoin Wallace College then. And as I worked with these students that were struggling, one thing I noticed was after I tutored them and they were done and they passed the exam, some of the students would hand me the financial management textbook and the calculator. And I basically said, they never want to ever see that textbook ever again. I hope you are not going to be like those students that after they learned the material, because they struggled with it so much, they say they never want to ever see that book and the calculator ever again. And we're talking about wellness and happiness. So you're going to read chapters 1 through 4 of Happy Go Money, that textbook, and you're also going to go through the introduction of I'll Teach You to Be Rich. Okay? The first 4 chapters of Happy Go Money and the introduction of I'll Teach You to Be Rich. Now, what is wellness? And obviously, this curriculum is following the wellness as defined and developed by Dr. Bill Hetler. And he defines wellness as that wellness is a conscious, self-directed, and evolving process of achieving full potential. Wellness is a conscious, self-directed, and evolving process of achieving a full potential. In other words, you continue to evolve as you make an effort to improve your wellness. And it goes on to say, wellness is multidimensional and it is holistic. Okay? It encompasses lifestyle, the mental, the spiritual, as well as the environment. And it goes on to say that wellness is supposed to be positive and it's supposed to be affirming. Okay? Dr. Heckler defines wellness as being a 6-dimensional aspect of our lives. So in this case, and it covers your occupational, which is tied to your career and your job and how you earn money. Your wellness has to cover your physical, right? Your wellness has to cover your social life. Your wellness has to cover your spiritual, your emotional, and your intellectual. So if you are lacking in these areas, you're not going to be well. I know when you start as an undergrad or as any person, sometimes there's this misconception that when I have a lot of money, I'll be happy. And that's not true. I go to Africa a lot. I'm doing development. I'm doing programs in Africa and working with kids in villages. I find some of the happiest people in the most impoverished conditions in the world. And here in the United States, I find people that are so unhappy and yet they seem to have everything. That goes back to that wellness is more than just having money. Wellness is more than just having physical activities. It has to cover the 6-dimensional part of your life. Okay? You have to have enough money. But your spiritual life has to also be taken care of. The social life, emotional life, as well as your intellectual life. So all of these areas. So please be diligent. Go through the material. And then follow through, answer the questions. And again, I've outlined, and the syllabus does outline how the grading is going to go. Please be diligent, grow from this, and learn. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out by email, or you can text me while I'm still in the United States. But when I travel outside the United States, email me. And I've put 3 emails there. Please don't hesitate to reach out. All the best and enjoy.